Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to find all the documents you've received on WhatsApp by date right on your computer. Whether you use WhatsApp for work, school, or sharing files with friends, this new update makes it faster and easier than ever to locate your documents without scrolling endlessly through your chats. Let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a series of icons in the side menu. Find and click on the media icon. This one brings together everything you've ever shared or received in your chats, neatly organized into sections for photos, videos, and documents. Next, select Docs. This section displays all the documents you've sent and received through WhatsApp. Here you can see files shared across all your chats in one place. Super convenient if you deal with a lot of PDFs, spreadsheets, or Word files. Now, at the top right corner of the window, look for the small sort icon. It's the key to organizing your files. Click on it and a few sorting options will appear. Choose Others and then select Period. This feature is part of the new update, allowing you to filter documents by specific timeframes. You can pick a range, like last week, last month, or even a custom date window, to instantly see which files came in during that time. With these steps, WhatsApp does all the work for you. In seconds, your documents are arranged by the date they were received, making it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for. No more scrolling through endless chats or guessing when someone sent that important file. And that's it. Just a few clicks, and you can view all your received WhatsApp documents by date, organized and ready whenever you need them. If this helped you, be sure to explore more hidden features in the latest WhatsApp updates. You might be surprised how much simpler they make your everyday communication.